Hi, folks. So, I'm planning to, post a series of blog for the AppExchange apps, which might be useful for a developer or a customer or a Salesforce admin. So, here is the first app which I'm going to show you a quick demo. And the app is for the developers and administrators. The app is Permissioner. So, as we all know, permission sets provide extra permissions to user, and we need to assign that to user. Let's take a use case where a particular Salesforce org is having some thousand odd users to it, and you are creating a permission set, and you want to assign it to 100 or 150 odd users with the permission sets, right? So right now there is no straightforward approach. You have to go and open each user record and scroll down and select the permission set and assign it to it, right? But this app is going to save a lot of time. And So let's take a quick look at it. You can see on the screen the app exchange listing for that particular app, which is developed by Arcus Inc. So let's get into the app. Once you install this app using your Salesforce credentials, you can see the list of various apps listed over here. I have already selected and I am at the permission app right now. You can see the list of instructions and permissions needed to use this for users to use this app, assign to user or revoking the permission set for a particular user. Right? So let's take a quick demo right now. So I'm going to search for a permission set. I'm going to assign a permission set to a user. Uh, so let me search for the permission set first. Here you go. I got a couple of permission set which is there, and you can see the user licenses also available over here. So if I select the permission set, and you can see the selected permission set license to. It is applicable to users with the Salesforce license to it actually. Right? The user license should be Salesforce. And if I select the permission set as, you must choose a permission set with the same user license. Right? So if I select this one, it's going to, show the charter free users alone here. So based on the use license of the permission set, the users will be filtered over here. Okay. For our demo now, I'm selecting this permission set permission set, and let me show you the various options available over here. So you can filter them, based on the name, username, title, profile, roles, quick, queue, public group, and everything over here. So basically, if I search for the profile name over here and select profile, it will list out all the users with that particular profile. And the same goes with the queue and public group. The users who are part of that queue or public group will be listed over here. Okay. But for our example now, I'm just going to select one user. Okay, I'll just show you how to assign the permission set over here. So yeah, this user having a say a user license of Salesforce. Uh, Now I'm ready to go and assign the permission set. I selected the user. So let's say you want to do it for like 100 odd records. You can choose the profile or queue or public group which the user is part of, and all the users will be listed over here. And I selected, in our case, I'm just selected one user. I'm assigning it. We're about to assign one permission set to one user. So let's check it out. The permission set is being assigned to it, and you can see it is recorded in the audit trail of the organization too, right? Perfect. So let's go to the user and see if the permission set is assigned to it. User, let me select the user. This is the user I assigned the permission set. I'm scrolling down and you can see the permission set is assigned to that particular user. Just imagine if you want to do this individually for like 100, 200 users, it's going to take a lot of time. But permission set save you actually. It's also, it might look a simple thing to do, but this app is very powerful and it is very useful if you are working for an enterprise level organization which is having more users to it. Right? Okay, let's take a look at revoking the permissions now. Right? Let me select the same permission. I searched for it, right? And I select this permissions and it will show the list of user who's using the permission set actually. So it will list possibly all the users, and you can come and select which users doesn't need that permission set anymore. So I selected myself over here, and I click this revoke button here. Right. Let's come back to this particular user's permission set assignment, and you can see that permission set is not assigned anymore to that particular user. Thank you.